definitely vegan garlic bread, check out this awesome recipe for delicious, hot, crispy, buttery garlic bread. So how delicious does that look? This garlic butter you can use when you're making fried rice, pasta dishes, noodle dishes, of course sauteed veggies, something like that. It's got a really nice buttery taste to it that I think a lot of non-vegans will appreciate too. So give it a try. Look for more recipes on my YouTube channel, Lillian Cumic, or on my Lillian Vegan page on Facebook. Thanks for watching and see you soon. You can vegan anything